Passing the phone to the person yung pinakamaiyakin at
Alisin lang yung pinakabago.
tingnan mo lang. Eto da. Ano ba?
Passing the phone to the person that's the most curious person in the world.
Passing the person to the most annoying person in the world.
Passing the phone to the person na yung hindi na aksidente.
Passing this phone to the person na sobrang kulit sa buong mundo.
Yoy, 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 yoy. Passing this phone to the person that always says, "Just give me my money."
Passing the phone to the person na mataba. Hindi ka mataba sa mundo pala.
Let's go. Bigay natin sa tao na iyon. Ito na. Naguhugas pala.
Ano yan?
Ayan na. Iba naman sasabihin ko kay Kikiam. Passing this phone to the person who tamad pumasok noon ng kinder. Yung daycare pala.
Passing this person to the most ugliest person and looks like the most ugliest monkey in the world. Kuya.
Why? Passing this phone to the person that yung lagi maigay kagabi, hindi daw makatulog kagabi kasi 11 na.
Passing this phone to the person who looks like a monkey.
Hoy, 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 hoy. Tapos na.